Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can reset your password on MEXC Global or MEXC Exchange. So once you're here, what you will have to do is open the MEXC login page, which is right here. And now that you're here, you will just have to click Forgot Password and wait for it to load. And now what you will have to do is enter your registered email or your phone number. So it really depends on you. And then after that, you will just have to click next, and then you will check your email or SMS for the verification code. And then after that, you will just have to enter the code and create a new password and then confirm, and then your password will now be reset. And of course, after all that, you will just have to log in with your new password and update 2FA settings if needed. And make sure to always use a strong password and enable 2FA for security. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.